Okay, now we're going to do a 3-point turn. So I'm going to bring my right tire over to the curb, and I have my right signal on. So let's say we're going down a 2-lane road and a tree is falling across it, or high water, an accident, dead end. There's all kind of reasons why you might have to turn around in 2 lanes. So what we're going to do is I want to make sure no car's coming forward or backward. I put on my left signal and I turn hard left towards the curb, but I don't hit the curb. Then I put my car into reverse. Okay? Now, as I start to back up, I start turning the steering wheel all the way to the right, and I'm looking over my left shoulder towards the curb because I don't want to hit it. Then I put my car in drive, and I turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and that's my turn. And I've just turned around in 2 lanes. So I turn hard left, backed up to the right, and turned hard left. But when I picked my spot, I made sure there was no sign, no fire hydrant, no tree, so I wouldn't hit anything going backwards.